Hey guys, this is Donna with The Best Life and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I will be trying out the baking soda gender tests. We have less than 2 weeks remaining, and yes, we are still Team Green, but I heard it's a lot of fun and I figured why not give it a try. So if you would like to learn more about this and see our results, then stay watching. Hey guys, this is Donna with The Best Life and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell button to be notified on new videos. Smooches. Alright, before we get started with this test, there's a couple things that you should know. You're going to gather your urine in a clean cup, and you're going to gather up that baking soda, about 2 tablespoons, and then you're also going to pour the urine into the baking soda itself. And from what I've been told, if it fizzes like a soda, then it's a boy. And if there's no reaction, it just kind of stays there, then chances are then you're having a girl. Now, the fun thing about this is that, hey, it's a 50% accuracy. So even if you're Team Green like I am, hey, don't worry, you know, how accurate can this be? Nonetheless, this is such fun, so I'm giving it a try, and without keeping you waiting any further, let's get this started right now. All right, let's get it started. From what I've read, it says to pour urine into the baking soda, just enough to cover the baking soda itself. Okay, so let's get started. So pouring this urine into the baking soda. All right. Just enough to fill it. So let's see. I'm watching closely. Now, according to the instructions, it says pour it over the baking soda just enough to fill the baking soda itself. And if it fizzes, then you're having a boy. No reaction would mean a girl. Now, I don't have any reaction here, but I'm just gonna pour a little bit more just to see if there's any, you know, if I need to have more in here. So let's pour a little more in. And let's see if I can make a little, get something going in here. Still no reaction. Well, there you have it, ladies and gents. No reaction. Hey, should I keep my fingers crossed for a girl? As you all know, we have 3 boys at home. I don't know if I'm banking on that test because there is a 50% accuracy, but it does suggest that you use the first urine of the morning, the first urine sample of the morning, and that's what I used. So I have a little less than 2 weeks to see what the baby really will be, a boy or a girl. But according to the baking soda gender test, it's a girl. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video for today. Don't forget to subscribe if you have yet to subscribe to my channel. And remember, guys, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Mwah. Smooches until next time.